Hi guys, and welcome to my messy self. This morning, it's Sunday morning. I've been out playing with Nora outside, and here she comes. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi, HappinessSparkles.
Okay, we're going to open this on air. Will we open it up and see what's in it? Okay, all right guys. We're going to look and see what it is. Nora is excited to see what it is.
What is it?
Oh, what is it? What is it? Let's see. Okay, Nora. Have a look.
Look.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What is it? Show it to everybody. Ooh. What else is in here? Yeah, that's just a bill.
Now let's see what's in here.
Just stuff. Okay, first of all, it's called Still by Jennifer Lopes. And the other one is called Reveal by Calvin Klein. So I'm going to go ahead and open them. Nora, do you want to smell them?
Yeah.
You want to smell them?
Yeah.
And tell people what they smell like, what it smells like to you, what you get out of it? Will we? Okay. No idea what the notes in these are. I just know they're super popular. It's a 50 ml bottle of Still, and I think it was, I want to say it was like under 20 bucks.
It smells good.
Hang on a minute. Okay, here we go. I'm going to spray it in the air.
It smells like flowers.
Very fruity. Smells good, guys. So I know it's popular. And this one is Reveal by Calvin Klein. Do you want to get in the, do you want to sit down a little bit? There we go. There's Nora. Okay, you want to help me open this one? Okay, here we go. Another bottle.
What's in here?
Oh, it's exciting.
Yes.
It's exciting. These were both really cheap. Look at the bottle.
Look at it.
Look at the bottle. You can see yourself in there, right? Okay, let's have a spray at this one. Okay, Nora. Settle down. Okay, I'll spray it on you.
It smells like...
Oh, this one's nice.
Yeah, it smells like blueberries and strawberries.
It smells very floral. Very sweet.
Nana, it smells like pineapple.
It smells like pineapple.
Apple and sweet.
And sweet. I like this one. Out of the both of them, when I just first spray them, I like this one the best. This is really, really beautiful. Who's this? Who's the brand on that? Calvin Klein. It's very powdery, very nice. I love that. I'll add the notes if I think about it. And I'm not sure how that, oh, it does sit up. There it is. Let's just try this one again. I'll spray it on this. Yeah, I think this is going to be really nice too. This is very fruity.
Where's Granda's car?
I'll have to check what the notes are because I have no clue.
Now let's find some more sprays.
So anyway, this is just going to be a really quick little video. Do you want to just say to everyone, thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your video.
And have a great day.
And have a great day. Make sure to not...
Oh, you okay?
Yeah,
Are you okay? You're getting excited over everybody up there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we love you all.
Okay, have a good fall on the head.
Have a good fall on the head. Love you.
Love you too.